Many people have little to no savings in the bank and they spend everything they earn each month. Why is this? Welcome to another episode of Money Matters. I'll book that holiday with my credit card and I'll pay it off later when I get my end of year bonus. I should be getting a pay rise later this year. I'll sign up to the subscription I've always wanted. I'm on holiday and having fun. I'll just pay it with my credit card and clear it off later. I'll save when I get my next pay rise. Any of these sound familiar? It's not just a case of earnings power, but money management that determines your financial success. What a shame it is if you earn a decent income at the front end, but you struggle to hold on to it at the back end. What a shame that you work so hard and work such long hours if you have nothing to show for it at the end of it. What a shame that the current you is taking away the quality of life from the future you. The truth is, most people are simply living beyond their means. They think a want is a need, and they make justifications to get the things that they really want. Whether it's paying too much on rent, restaurants, fashion, boys' toys, holidays. People are in a constant competition to outlive one another, especially in the world of social media, where everyone feels the need to up their game in the constant search for likes, followers, and attention. People are buying the wrong types of assets. They're buying depreciating assets, increasing their liabilities and increasing fixed expenses. That hugely depreciating sports car, that private club membership, those clothes that are hardly worn, and that gym membership that is hardly used, all contribute to a never-ending cycle that drains your hard-earned income. There are simply no excuses, no matter how little money you earn. During my time, I've seen some young and low-earning people managing to save some of their income. They developed a habit of saving, and they developed it whilst they were young, after schooling. And it is these types of savers who will be smelling of roses in years to come. They will be the first ones onto the property ladder, the first ones who will be financially free from having to earn an income, and the first to admit that they have more money than they know what to do with. So here's how to save. Think about 10% of your income being automatically taxed on each of your monthly paychecks. It simply doesn't belong to you, so you have no chance to spend this money. Simply, instead, it goes towards helping you first build up some cash. And this cash buffer is for emergencies only, and I mean real emergencies. It builds up to the point where it's worth 6 to 12 months of your living expenses. Don't think about this account. Don't use it, don't look at it, only break into it like a piggy bank when you really need it. Next, it's time to get your money working hard for you. It's time to invest. You can use your income to save monthly amounts towards the financial markets. No need to get clever here. Just buy into low-cost, transparent solutions, and that'll give you high single-digit returns on average per annum. Each pay rise you receive, allocate as much of it as possible towards your new investments. Increase your savings rate from 10% to 15% to 20%, ideally more. Be frugal, change your mindset, and let the future you enjoy some of the fruits of your labour. After all, you won't be working forever. Think about what this can do for you. What is your motivation? Visualize your future if money was no issue. Get excited about saving and investing. Get excited about life. If you start early, be disciplined, and remain steadfast, you'll be enjoying your success and preaching to others the path you took to achieve financial freedom. It's not rocket science. It just requires a little vision, motivation, and discipline. I wish you strength, determination, and success. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Let me know what you would like to see in future episodes in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of Money Matters.